What's up, guys? Tech Tony here at Pathfinder Digital Marketing. Now, we're going to go over one of the betas that are right now on most should be on most platforms, but if not, then you can just skip this video. It's called Products. That's what we're going to go over today. I'm going to set one up for you guys real quick. Pretty easy stuff. Click on Get Started. Right? Google almost holds your hand through this. Add a product image. Like I said, just like posting, they're pretty picky about what you post. Hey, it took it. That's pretty good. I was testing before I made this video and had some problems earlier. So, products collection, choose fast marketing services. We put marketing. Google and make sure it shows up right. Do a little bit more editing. Select that. That's a little bit better. All right. So, because I already have this built somewhere else, we're going to go to my service section here, my Facebook page. Go to edit. And just start copying and paste. But you get the hint. If you don't have it, I mean, you just type. Just type it in. You know, not that hard to do. Control Alt, copy, paste. Okay, and then remember, call to action. You want people to do something when they see this, right? And then once you get everything filled out as best as you can, if you leave something blank, it's not going to kill you. But at least have a product collection, price, maybe not, description, and a call to offer of some sort, okay? Hit publish. Let it save. It's doing its thing. It's thinking about it. Cool. And you can just keep going on this, all right? Great. So that's it. That's products and services, quick, simple. Want to get that there for you. Go for it. Post as much as you can on this. Use it up. Don't be shy. And that as soon as it loads and gets approved, it'll show up in your search network as well. Have a great day. Take care.